Hello, my art viewers. Welcome back to our channel. You are seeing the art of inside impression, and this is Artist Bhavna. So today we started with a new portrait season, and you can see the details and all. So I want to share this a small video on this so that you will be knowing what I'm doing. So yeah, I completed the right eye, but in this video you can see the left eye and the remaining nose. So let's start. So we are seeing the time lapse video. So as I always share the real time videos, but this time I'm sharing the time lapse video because you can learn many things from this time lapse video also. So not to delay with the process, I'm already continuing my process. You can see what I'm doing. I'm just drawing the skin textures. So if you want to learn the real-time videos and all, you can see my previous videos, so you have an access to see them. So there are almost 3 to 2 videos on skin texture tutorial, so you can happily watch and you can learn. So that is same process, so that's why I didn't get the real-time videos. So but I want to share my recent artwork. So presently I'm working on this, so I hope you love the output because this is big artwork. This is not on A4 size, but it is on A1 size paper of Brustro Bristol brand. So this paper is really comfortable for every artist like charcoal and graphite artist. I really loved the paper and the outcome on it. So that's why I grabbed other paper and I'm doing this big art on it. So I purchased even paper, but I removed excess of paper. After measurement there was some paper left, so I removed it. So the remaining balance is that paper. So it is between the A1 and A2 size, but this is little small one than the Sadhguru Sai Baba drawing. So this is not small as A2, but it is not big as A1. It is between A1 and A2, and the details are going really very well here. It is really different artwork this time I took. So I always try to do different things and the challenging things, so that's why I picked this reference image. So this reference image is taken from Pinterest, so you can pin and you can try them. And if you want this reference image, I'll really share with you, and if you really want it, please comment below, I'll share it. And this is a earbud I'm using here and the tissue paper for blending and all. So you can see the exclusive process. It is time lapse, but everything you can see. So every tool is clearly visible and what the process is going, you can learn from it, but not like real time video. If you want to learn from real time video, please do watch my previous videos and please do support me. So yes, and I'll play a little small track and you can enjoy the process. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to tap the bell icon, and please support me to reach more. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy, and happy learning. Please do watch the complete video and see the results and learn the process. So this is really difficult process and different process from the other artwork, so please do watch it and learn from it, and thank you so much in advance. Thank you so much for watching, and this is Artist Bhavna signing off for today.